In this video, I'll show you how to add keyframes on Final Cut Pro. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to load up your project on Final Cut Pro. And once that's loaded, before we add the keyframes, let's collapse this video and let's open up the project clearly so you can see what I'm about to do. Now you can see that on our timeline, we have the video and audio clips merged as one. Now what we are going to do is we're going to click on the clip that we want to add the keyframe to. Let's say we want to add the keyframe to this clip. We're going to click on this and we're going to go to the far right of the view where we see the audio icon. We're going to click on the audio icon, and right under the audio icon you should see the volume sign. Now, the volume sign on the far right, there's a target looking icon, and this is where you're going to click to add a keyframe. But before you do that, you need to move the cursor to where you want to add the keyframe to. So let's say we want to add the keyframe here. We'll move the cursor here. Then we're going to click on the keyframe. You realize once I click on the keyframe, it's going to add a dot to this part of the audio. Now we can also move the keyframe as much as we like, and you can see the keyframe is moving. Now to better see the keyframe added to your audio, what you can also do is you can right click on the clip and you can detach audio from your video clip. And once you detach it, you see the audio here and the video here, and here you can see the keyframe well enough and you can manipulate it anyhow you want. Now that's how to add keyframes to your project on Final Cut Pro. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.